Unemployed, employed, a student, a business person, or an entrepreneur looking for daily or passive income, cryptocurrency trading may be something you are looking for. Cryptocurrency trading is all about the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. We buy at low prices, sell at a higher price, and we make profits. Compare cryptocurrency trading to the forex bureaus. For example, you'll find that table at the forex bureaus. They are showing you a price at which they are buying and a price at which they are selling. If you're a traveler and you're going to like the US, you're going to sell to them your Ugandan shillings and you're going to buy from them US dollars at a given rate. So this is what they're doing. They'll see the price at which they bought and then compare at the price which they'll sell to you. So this is what we are doing simply here at cryptocurrency trading. So what are the cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital, decentralized, borderless assets that are kept safe and secure using the blockchain technology. They are digital because they are intangible. Just like money on your mobile phone, you can transfer the money to a friend, you can use it to buy data or airtime, but unless you go to an agent and withdraw it, you can't touch that money. So these are also just digits displayed on your smartphone, but you can transfer them to a friend and you can convert them to your fiat currency. They are decentralized because they are not controlled by any institution or government. They are fully controlled by the people. And the blockchain technology is a public ledger that displays all the transactions that have happened on a given cryptocurrency. And then it is public, just like you had. So every transaction that is recorded on the blockchain system, it cannot be altered or changed once it is seated on the blockchain system. This makes it transparent, safe, and secure. Why choose these cryptocurrencies? Remember, we are heading to a cashless era or cashless economy, whereby we shall be using our phones to pay for goods and services. That is why right now there are a lot of affordable smartphones so that we can all access the internet and enjoy its fruits. So number one, inclusivity. These cryptocurrencies include everyone regardless of your location, because once you have internet connection and a smartphone or a PC, you can access your cryptocurrencies. Number two, low startup cost. Did you know that you can buy fractions of a given cryptocurrency? For example, Bitcoin. If you cannot afford it at $100,000, you can buy a 0.01 BTC at $50. So the startup cost is very minimal. And then there is free knowledge all over the internet, so you can easily start. And then number three, 24/7 accessibility. With cryptocurrencies, the markets are open 24/7. Remember, we say they're decentralized. So one can enter the markets at midnight, in the morning, afternoon, anytime, whenever you have time. And then the high growth and long-term potential of these cryptocurrencies. Over time, cryptocurrencies are proven to grow very fast and very well. And then the low transaction costs each time you're sending transactions anywhere across the world using cryptocurrencies. And this makes them global or international. If you're someone that is also looking for an international business, cryptocurrencies may be something that you can do on a large scale. And this brings us to the ability of cryptocurrencies to be diversified. With cryptocurrencies, you can easily diversify your portfolio, all asset portfolio, because there are many examples of these cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, USDT, XRP, YFI, to mention but a few. So with all these cryptocurrencies, it means you can easily distribute your income to several of them. And then the blockchain technology ensures safe, secure, and unchangeable or immutable transactions, thus transparent transactions, because the ledger is displayed for everyone to see. Cryptocurrencies also have multiple ways of earning, and this exposes us to passive and daily income every day, because there are ways of earning like trading, staking, among others. So you can choose any and then be able to make money on a daily basis. And with the increased institutional and global adoption, you've seen countries like US, you've seen people like Elon Musk, you've seen people like Robert Kiyosaki embracing cryptocurrencies. One can now easily earn from these cryptocurrencies. So where do you buy and sell these cryptocurrencies from? Just like we said, they are digital. Cryptocurrencies have their digital banks where they are kept. They are a form of applications, but they are very safe and secure because you verify them using your national ID or passport, and then you may require a fingerprint, your face, or a password to access your funds. So this makes them very safe and secure. And then these digital banks include Binance, HTX, Bybit, Coinbase, KuCoin, among others, as you see them on your screen. You just choose one that matches your country's regulations, and then you start your cryptocurrency trading. These act as banks for us to keep our cryptocurrencies, and they also act as marketplaces where we meet other traders from whom we buy cryptocurrencies and to whom we sell cryptocurrencies. You just have to choose your country's currency, and then the transactions begin. And because the cryptocurrency market is very volatile, it changes in a matter of minutes or seconds. You can never know when it is going to change. I would wish to introduce to you a software called Robotic, a bot that is going to be in the market on your behalf, a very safe and secure bot because your money stays within your digital bank. There is no need to withdraw your money from the digital bank to Robotic, never. It stays within your digital bank, and Robotic is going to monitor markets on your behalf within your digital bank. It is semi-automatic, which means that you have to give it instructions on what coins you want it to trade, how much capital you want it to make for you, and how much capital you want it to invest in the market. What makes Robotic very special? Number one, it can work whether your internet is connected or not. That means even if you are in a village, you can easily execute your trades. Number two, timely execution of trades. You can easily execute your trades when you want to execute them immediately. With human beings, sometimes laptops freeze, sometimes networks jam, and then you end up not executing your trades at the time you wanted to execute them. And then number three, it is global and user-friendly. Anywhere in the world, whether in a village or anywhere, you can use this Robotic software to trade. And whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, an expert, you can use Robotic to trade cryptocurrencies on your behalf. And lastly, what I like about Robotic the most is the fact that your money stays within your digital bank and the fact that it charges very little gas fees. It is an 80-20% ratio win-win situation, and it has multiple ways of earning. If you're an expert trader, you can sell your skills through copy trading, and then you can also sell your strategies to other people. You can make through the trading, you can use all the multiple ways of earning in the Robotic program. This Robotic or cryptocurrency trading, it has helped a lot of people materialize their dreams. But take note, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather a fast get-rich-quick scheme, but rather it's a quicker way for you to make money using your smartphone. So you're not going to make money very fast. I know some people are thinking, when I get Robotic, I'm going to get rich fast. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather it is a faster way for you to materialize your dreams. But in 3 years or 2 years or 4 years, depending on the effort you've put and your capital, you could be the next millionaire we are talking about. As you see there, people are making money daily, utilizing the several ways of earning with Robotic. You see, some are buying cars, some are buying land, some are buying several things. But like I said, this takes some time and effort. So how can one start on their crypto trading journey? To start on your crypto trading journey, number one, you need a passport or national ID. This is to verify that it is really you, Lillian, that is using your Binance or HTX or Get.io. And then number two, you need a digital bank. Yes, this is where your cryptocurrencies are going to be kept. And remember, we said it is also a marketplace where you're going to meet other traders to buy and sell to cryptocurrencies. And then number three, you need a Robotic application. With a Robotic application, you need an invitation code because we all believe that for you to succeed in cryptocurrency trading, you need a mentor. So with Robotic, you need an invitation code. So get back to the person that sent you this video and get an invitation code. If you're just watching the video here, just type invitation code and we shall give it to you. Number four, you need capital. Robotic costs only $120 and this runs for a full year, so it's a contract business. If the year ends and you feel like it hasn't worked for you, you cannot renew your contract. And this means that you are paying an expert trader $10 per month to monitor, analyze, and make profits for you in the market. And then you need fuel fee of at least $20 and capital of at least $70. So with just $200 you can begin on your crypto trading journey, but the capital has no limit. $1 million, $10,000, $1,000, $50, you can start your crypto trading journey. Remember, we said it needs a very low startup cost. So don't forget to get back to the person that invited you or sent you this video to give you that invitation code for Robotic and also to guide you further on how you can enjoy and benefit from this business. Remember, we are heading to the digital or cashless era. Happy trading, and don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, or follow us.